BMW's electric iX3. Demand surges, production ramps up. BMW's all-electric iX3 is experiencing unexpectedly high demand, with pre-orders nearly exhausting supply through the end of 2026. This strong customer response is forcing the automaker to accelerate production schedules at its new EV-dedicated factory in Debrecen, Hungary. Why this matters? A vote of confidence in BMW's electric future, the iX3's success is significant because it's the first vehicle built on BMW's next-generation, new class, platform. This platform represents a major investment in electric vehicles and a shift toward a more modern design language. The fact that buyers are eager to purchase the iX3 before even test driving, it suggests strong confidence in BMW's electric transition. The iX3 currently accounts for roughly one-third of BMW's electric vehicle orders in Europe, despite deliveries only beginning in March. To meet this demand, BMW is expediting the launch of a second production shift at the Debrecen plant. While the facility is designed to eventually produce 150,000 vehicles annually, the initial ramp-up is being accelerated due to the overwhelming interest. New class momentum. Beyond the iX3, this surge in demand for the iX3 has broader implications for BMW's electric strategy. The new class platform will underpin future models, including the next generation of the 3 Series. If the iX3's popularity extends to these upcoming vehicles, BMW is well-positioned to compete in the rapidly growing EV market. Upgrades for 2027 models. Faster charging, enhanced features. BMW is also preparing further enhancements for the iX3. Starting this spring, the SUV will offer an optional 22 kW AC charging upgrade, significantly reducing charging times at home or work. Additionally, a new vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability will allow owners to power external devices with up to 3.7 kW of output, adding utility for camping or emergency situations. Other updates include new exterior color options, eucalyptus green and frozen space silver, interior trim revisions, and optional accessories like a stainless steel loading sill, white steering wheel, and M-striped key. The iX3's early success demonstrates that BMW's new class platform is resonating with consumers, solidifying the company's commitment to electric mobility. The accelerated production plans suggest BMW anticipates continued high demand as it expands its EV lineup.